Boys and girls, welcome to our first maths video. I just want to start by saying a big thank you to Folens, these guys up here, for putting all of their resources online during this time when we're off school. Today, boys and girls, we're going to look at place value. But before we look at place value, boys and girls, the reason that I like these videos is that it gives you the time to stop them. To press pause, to rewind and listen to me again, God help you, if you need to, so that you get a further explanation of it. It's also good to stop it to give yourself some thinking time. Okay, and if you've stopped it, you've listened to me again, you've given yourself some thinking time, and you're still not sure of what you're going to do, then it's always good to ask mum or dad, or even a big brother or sister if you have one, okay? So, guys, look, we're going to look at place value, as I said to you, and what's place value? Place value, basically, boys and girls, is this. It's the value of each of the digits that make up a number, okay? So if we look at this first number up here, we've got 8,637, okay? It's what do those four numbers, what do those four digits mean within that number, I should say. So the 8 is in the thousands column, the 6 is in the hundreds column, the 3 is in the tens column, and the 7 would be in the units column. So that would give us 8,637. Okay. Now, here you can see a different number, and it's been written in words instead of digits. So we've got 1,000. We've no hundreds, boys and girls. We've 4 tens and 1 unit. Now, if we were to write that number down, boys and girls, that would be written as 1,041. 1 in the thousands columns, nothing in the hundreds columns, 4 in the tens column, and 1 in the units column. Okay, so that would give us the 1,041. Now, what we're going to do now, boys and girls, is we're going to look at some of these questions. Now, this starts off nice and slowly, boys and girls. It's fairly easy, and then we build on it and we add on to your knowledge that you'll gain as we're going through this. Okay, so on B here, for example, all I want you to do is to do the alternate questions starting at question 1 here. Okay, so you'll do question 1, question 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so whilst you're doing that, we're going to look, boys and girls, to give you a bit of a clue as to what we're doing, how we're doing this, at questions 2 and 4. So question 2 says I'm looking for a number from over here to match with these numbers over here. And the number we're looking at is 6,432. So I'm looking for one of these numbers, 6,432. So you'll see here, boys and girls, I've got 6,432. Okay, and for D, boys and girls, I've got 7 tens and 8 units, which is 78. I get myself a nice easy one there, boys and girls. That's 78. Okay, the next one, question 6. Okay, I've got 3,000. I'm adding 200 to it. I'm adding a further 40. I'm finishing with 6 units. So it's 3,246. So I'm looking for 3,246 over here. Change the colour. So I've got 3,246 matches to here. So you've got to just do those, boys and girls. Remember what I said to you. You're looking to do questions 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These guys, boys and girls, I don't really want you to do those down at question C here, okay? You can see what you have to do here, boys and girls. There's not much point you simply copying out that number, putting in the number 3 here, the number 7 there, the number 6 there, and the number 8. It would be good for you just to have a look at them and to go down them to reinforce what each of these numbers actually means. That's 3,000, that's 700, that's 6 tens, 60, and there's your 8 units. Okay? In question 4 here, for example, I've got 0 in the thousands column. I've got 9 hundreds, I have 8 tens, and I have my 7 units here. Okay? And then, boys and girls, that's the first of them. We're going to move on very quickly and look at page 2 and the second of our videos. So goodbye, and hopefully this worked.